1 week ago today, the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Now, same-sex couples in North Carolina are rushing to protect their marriage rights, should that precedent be reversed by the nation's highest court as well. WRAL's Matt Tallhelm is live in Raleigh to show us how a law firm is helping those people. Matt?
Yeah, Dan, North Carolina still has a law and a constitutional amendment on the books banning same-sex marriage. Those are unconstitutional because of the Supreme Court's decision back in 2015. But this law office right here, Counsel Carolina, is offering its services to same-sex couples to protect their rights that come with marriage in case it's taken away. The simplicity.
We got married in the backyard. We didn't want a big, gigantic wedding.
Disguises the significance of Kat Starcher and Renee Quijano's wedding day.
It's like, I don't want to lose this opportunity. I don't want to lose this chance to marry someone that I love and I want to spend my life with.
They've built a family along with their son and are settling into married life.
5 years, 6 years?
4 years. I was like, is this year 5? No, if it's been 4 years.
But now they worry their rights as lawfully wedded wives are at risk in the wake of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade.
I'm scared about everything. It feels like now what can't be undone.
There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of anger. There have been some tears.
That fear comes from the words in a concurring opinion written by Justice Clarence Thomas in the Roe ruling. He says the court should reconsider its rulings in similar precedent cases, like the one that made bans on same-sex marriage unconstitutional.
I know there's a lot of fear, at least in the LGBTQ community, that could come back.
Justin Osborne's team of 4 attorneys at Counsel Carolina is rushing to respond.
We're a small firm, but we wanted to feel like we were doing something.
They're working for free to put together powers of attorney for same-sex couples.
It's a little bit of a stopgap, I think, to help protect people because there is some uncertainty down the road of what may happen.
The legally binding documents provide couples with some certainty that they can make financial or healthcare decisions for each other.
If that marriage isn't recognized anymore, we're going to create a new relationship to make sure you still have those same rights.
Starcher and Quijano are working with Counsel Carolina right now to protect their family.
Just making sure that if anything happens to either of us, the other one's taken care of.
The court's 5 other conservative justices wrote in that Roe decision that the ruling should not cast doubt on other precedents like same-sex marriage. But still, this law firm here says it is working with 35 couples already who have called in, and they're getting 5 to 6 more calls each and every day. Dan?
People doing what they can to feel protected. Matt Tallhelm live for us in Raleigh. Thanks, Matt.